Hello everyone, today we are going to do CASTEP calculation of nickel cobalt sulfide. Go to materials project to download its structure. Click material project and click here start exploring materials nickel cobalt sulfide. So click these elements nickel, cobalt and sulfur and search. So this is the second structure nickel 1, cobalt 2 atoms and sulfur 4 atoms. It has cubic crystal structure, 14 sides, 0 band gap. So this is our structure. Click here. And this is the structure, and you can view in 3D just to make sure this is the right structure. And then click here and export symmetrized file, and then drag and drop this file to materials studio project and right click here display style ball and stick. You can change the radius. If you see there are no bonds here, then come here and click on this button, and then you will see the bonds here as well. If you want to know the atoms, come here. This is the exact atomic numbers here, atomic ratios. Now click here, label, element symbol, and now you can see the atoms names on the atom, which element represents which atom. This is cobalt, nickel, and yellow is sulfur. Now click here, symmetry and primitive cell. To do CASTEP calculation, you need to have a small unit cell. So go to unit cell, primitive unit cell, and there is 14 number of atoms here. Go to CASTEP calculation. So first we need to do geometry optimization. Click here metal checkbox because it is conductive material. So now click here collinear because this is we are going to analyze magnetic properties as well, and also check this option because it has transition metals here. Come here more and choose this full 250. For this simulation, I'm going to choose express settings. So make sure all these three properties are checked. This is collinear, the GGA, PBE, and no need to change anything here. Go to more. Use custom energy cutoff always 500. So type 500. Go to SCF. No need to change anything here. Just change this to 500. Charge and spin, this is okay. Go to K points as we are going to do on express settings. So choose these values 111 and no need to check any properties here because right now we are doing geometry optimization and I am going to use 4 cores here and click run. This will take a few seconds. It is completed now. As you can see, it takes 3 iterations to complete the geometry optimization. Now come here to CASTEP file. This is from the top, go down. It's first table, second table, third, fourth, and the fifth table. Here you can see the initial magnetic moment and the initial spin polarization of each atom. And there are other properties given and in other tables as well. Like here it's Hirschfeld and charge, spin, and other properties as well. So after that, open your optimized structure, then go to setup. Now choose energy optimization. No need to change any other thing, same thing. Now here you choose band structure and density of states, and you can check all other properties you also want to calculate. For this purpose, for this tutorial, I'm going to check only these two, and similarly run. Again, it will take a few seconds. it is completed now. Click OK. Open the optimized structure. Close this. Go to custom menu and analysis. Here choose band structure. This is the band structure alpha and beta. Alpha means spin up and beta means spin down. You can zoom it. As you can see, spin up and spin down electrons are very on top of each other. Only a few blue and red lines are separated, and this blue line is clearly crossing the zero line Fermi level, so it is conductive and has zero band gap. So, now is denser state. So this is total denser state. We need to check alpha and beta separate. So click view. So this is now separate spin up and spin down electron. Alpha is spin up electron and beta for spin down electron. So now you can see are very minor changes in spin up and spin down. Like here at this point there is a difference, and also at this point there is a difference here, and also at this point, and also at this point. So the more the difference between spin up and spin down graph, the more the magnetic nature the material have. Thank you guys. If you like this video, share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.